Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use ChatGPT inside Microsoft Excel or Microsoft PowerPoint. You can easily use ChatGPT within Excel and PowerPoint. See how to use ChatGPT. See how to use ChatGPT inside Microsoft Excel. Yes, you can easily use ChatGPT in Microsoft Excel. Here are the process. First, launch Microsoft Excel page. And here we will see how to use ChatGPT within Microsoft Excel page. Here go to Home tab from the top menu bar and thereafter click on Add-ins. Now in search field type ChatGPT. In search field type ChatGPT and ChatGPT for Excel. Use ChatGPT for Excel and PowerPoint appear. Just click on Add. Now ChatGPT is successfully added to your Microsoft Excel. Now we will see how to use this ChatGPT within your page or worksheet. Simply click on ChatGPT and you can see how to use ChatGPT. This page will open and here a few query will be raised. ChatGPT. Continue with ChatGPT. Click on it. First, put your credential and log in with your ChatGPT. And after that, agree terms and condition. Click on I understand. And what do you use Excel for? Here various option available: banking, accounting. Choose personal if you use personal and click on next. Click on next. Understand formulas, errors, patterns, build financial materials, various type of aspects available here. Choose fast, increase thinking effort for more problems. Choose fast. And now your worksheet is ready with ChatGPT. Now we will add this cell. Simply type sum @ and select the cell and click on arrow sign. And you can see this will simply added. So you can use ChatGPT in within Microsoft Excel worksheet and your problem will be solved accordingly. We'll see how to use ChatGPT inside PowerPoint. You can easily use ChatGPT within your Microsoft PowerPoint to create a slide, to create a presentation. Launch PowerPoint first and here from the top menu bar go to Home tab. Click on Home tab from the top menu bar and thereafter click on Add-ins. Under Home tabs you will find the option Add-ins. Click on it. In search field type ChatGPT and click on Add against Use ChatGPT for Excel and PowerPoint. Click on Add. Now you can see ChatGPT is successfully added to your add-ins and here first log in with your credential to use ChatGPT within PowerPoint. For login first and thereafter accept the terms and condition of it. ChatGPT. Just ChatGPT will open in half your page. What do you use PowerPoint for? Choose a purpose of your using PowerPoint. ChatGPT in PowerPoint and you may have option to skip this question. Otherwise choose any answer. Build and edit slides. You can also choose or skip it. Set thinking effort. 3 options available: standard, fast and heavy. Choose fast and here for example 3 options suggested available: build a fundamentals presentation outline, create an educational work example slide. So we will go through first option, and you can see build a simple educational focused presentation outline for basis points. Click on enter or press arrow sign, and within seconds you can see four tasks completed. It should be completed, and your PowerPoint slide is ready, presentation is ready. So you can easily use chat GPT AI features within your PowerPoint presentation, and all if all tasks applied, you can see 4 by 4 task completed, and your PowerPoint presentation is ready through chat GPT.